Welcome friends, thanks so much for chiming in today. So I just wanted to refresh our memory a little bit about jacket zippers. I know that I posted a little bit about them about a year ago when I was working on a jacket zipper course, because I know that I get this so much with clients is in the winter, the jacket zippers break. And then of course you have no coat, but if you can sew, you can absolutely learn to put in a jacket zipper, and it isn't quite as complicated as you think that it would be. So I have definitely been working on my video, my audio in the last year, doing some improvements on that. So I refilmed the whole course and it is relaunched and ready to go. So I wanted to just jump on and give you a little bit of a preview here. So I'm going to flow right into some of the video footage for that class. So for now, through the month of February, all the way to the beginning of March, the class is on sale for $12.99 rather than its usual price. So grab that deal while it is still available. When you're looking to replace a jacket zipper, sometimes these grommet snaps can get in your way if they're too close to the zipper. But these snaps are far enough away from the zipper so that they're not touching the actual zipper when you go to take it out, which makes changing the zipper a whole lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead. I have a couple of tools. I have a razor seam ripper and then a regular seam ripper. And I tend to like to try to grab some of the stitches midway, not at the bottom, because the bottom, there's a lot of extra stitching to secure the zipper in. So I tend to grab somewhere in the middle, just begin to separate the zipper out. Now that you see a little bit of how I start to take out the zipper, of course you're going to want to know a little bit about zipper replacements, and this is also included in the class, but wanted to just show you as well. So in a jacket zipper, typically I replace them with YKK zippers that I get from Walk Sewing. You can get them probably on Amazon or other suppliers, but that is where I get them from. These are number 5, and especially for winter jackets, typically I use this molded plastic, but often in lighter weight jackets, maybe you'll have a nylon zipper. You can also replace those with an identical nylon zipper. Number 5 is usually the weight that I use, but you're going to want to find your zipper replacement. My preferred brand is that YKK because I found that they have a much longer lifespan. A couple of times when I first started my business, I used a Coats and Clark zipper. And I have to say that these came back to me the following season because the zipper was already broken again. But if you're sewing for yourself, just remember, think about replacing a jacket zipper in a jacket that costs, $100 to $200. By learning to replace that zipper, you've saved it from the landfill, you've saved your family money, yourself money, and right now for February, I'm offering the class for just $12.99. Hop on that deal and get that, because you will save your money in the first course by saving one single jacket.